Sa bawat laro, idolo, huwag kang matakot makipagsabayan. Huwag kang mahiya, ipakita ang kaya mong gawin. Dahil sa bawat laro, diyan ka mas mahuhubog. Natalo ka man, basta may natututunan. Tuloy lang ang ensayo at samahan ng disiplina. Huwag kang titigil hanggat di mo nagagawa. Tumigil ka lang kapag di mo na magawa ang mali. At lagi mong tatandaan, walang sino man ang makakapagsabi na kaya mo. Nasa sayo yan kung hanggang saan mo madadala ang sarili mo. Dahil sa US Playground, laro mo ang highlights ko. Ito, balik tayo sa barangay San Gabriel Sports Complex para sa pagpapatuloy ng San Pablo City Inter-Barangay Champions League 21 and under. Muli maraming salamat kay SK yan. Maraming salamat din kay Boss JJ Magira. And syempre sa SPCRA and AG Apparel. Maraming salamat po. Ito, maganda yung bakbakan natin, punong-puno. Ayan, kitang-kita. Maglalaro mga idolo ng San Francisco Kalihan. At mahala pa naman nila. Ito, Barangay Santa Monica, sa pagkakaalam ko, bakbakan to ng walang talo. Ito na, maganda-ganda yung ating magiging laban. And syempre, shoutout kay Idol yan. Hintayin lang natin at maganda-gandang bakbakan na naman ang bibida sa ating playground. Eto na, papasukan na mga player na magkabilang upunan. Eto na, punong-puno yung ano natin, venue. Kaya muli maraming salamat po sa Barangay San Gabriel, sa Sangguniang Barangay at sa Sangguniang Kabataan. Lalo tikit po kay SK Umali yan. Siya po yung sumusuporta dito at nag-a-assist sa lahat ng pangangailangan dito. Maraming salamat sa pizza. Eto na, undefeated
Santa Monica takes on Kalihan Aces. Una mga uwal posesyon ng Barangay Santa Monica. Sigo. Atienza. Setting the play para sa Kalihan Aces. Atienza fires, so good. Yagas. Nice, Manalo. Takes on pool, basket. Atienza, pass to Tarandang, binalik kay Atienza ang bola. Mendoza. Mendoza, open for 3. A ball. Nakuha sa Santa Monica ang bola. Cebu push to ball. Cebu
Ganda nito. Expect the unexpected.
Santa Monica. Atienza. Tarandang. Taps. Bibigay kay Ace. Atienza gets the foul. Atienza on the line.
Sa kabila naman si Coach Ulo Marasingan sa kay
Atienza
Coach
again.
Jerome Marco ng
Gets it
Kalihan.
2-4-2.
Yan, shoutout po kay Boss Warren. Tapon.
Out of bounds. Atienza. Isgarte. Kicks out. Tarandang. With a 2, no good. Di pa mapupunta ka Yagas. Here comes Sibug again. Sibug makes no takes out. Yagas fakes. Yagas sana bola po. No good. Di pa ba Atienza? Kailangan pa rin ang bola.
Ganda ito, parang nag-cheche yung dalawang coach.
And here we go, Atienza, pass to Mendoza. Bigay case. Atienza again, trying to shoot. Mendoza fires, so good Canada. Mendoza fires, so good Canada. Mendoza fires, so good Canada. Basket count, that's a foul. Foul on jersey number 8. Shot. Canada.
Oh, di ba?
Tarandang completes the 3-point play.
Kaya nga.
Cortez. And a seal. Tarandang nakakuha ulit ni Cebu. Cebu iniwan kay Yagas.
Yan, shoutout po kay Mayora. Ganda ng court nyo, ang daming tao, ang ganda po ng reaction ng crowd. Grabe. Isa tong court ng San Gabriel sa pinakamagagandang court ng San Pablo. Shoutout nga pala sa Sahagun family, lalo na kay Tropang Yaw, Rexel Sahagun. Saka kay Sheena Buenaventura.
Pass to Herbie. Atienza taps. Atienza no good. And a rebound. Secures by Faner Gali. And Yagas. Yagas taps. Cortez. Gets the basket. Atienza. Pass on to Mendoza. Atienza on 2. Basket's good. Manalo. And seal. Mendoza to Atienza. Basket. Manalo.
Okay, jumbo lang tawag. Araw possession tayo. Kalihan ball.
Atienza nagbawa ng bola. Pass to Tarandang. On to Atienza. Herbie again. Foul. Foul by Jersey. 14 seconds to shoot para sa Aces. And a steal by Castillo. Castillo puts the ball. Binaba ang bola.
Hindi niya.
Out of bounds, save ball.
Hindi man lang siya nag-attempt tumira, sayang. Nakaka-pressure din kasi yung ganitong laro.
David naglalabas ng
Kaya
bola.
good luck sa mga player.
Basilio, finds Lagas. Lagas fake sa taas. Lagas, good. Nariba para Aranza. Nakita si Atienza, solong-solo. Basket. David. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Intercepted. Ace to Heavy. Timeout, Santa Monica. By Galian Aces.
Eto, napatay mo yung Santa Monica.
Basilio finds David. David Baibet. David Elsin. Pass break. Glorioso. Takes on. No good. David gets the rebound. Out of bounds.
Grabe yung depensa ng dalawang Atienza.
Castillo. Ang may tangan ng bola para sa Santa Monica. Para Escobar. Ilabas kay David. David with a bola boot. No good. Who gets the rebound? Atienza. Atienza finds Glorioso. 3. No good. Tapi ka na bola. Naawa ni David. David. Atienza. Basket. Still, Aranza, Glorioso, Waze, nakakuha ni Karantang, kicks out, Aranza to Herbie, fire sa 3, fire sa 3. Castillo, and a sin to Glorioso, basket.
Alihan. 4 minutes.
14 seconds to shoot. Makikisuyo boys, nasa mga ilalim, makiki-adjust na po. Salamat po. Atienza. Glorioso. Gabas, takes a 2. No good. Basilio. Sigo. No good. Sigo again. 10 seconds to shoot. Basilio. Gets a foul. Seconds for Santa Monica. 40 seconds to shoot. Basilio. 10 seconds to shoot. Basilio drives. Basilio on 2. Gratosa finds Dison. Gratosa, Glorioso for 3. Yes, sir! And Cortez still Aranza. Nakuha ni Sibug. Sibug na hands. Foul. Sibug ang line. Basket. Sibug again, no good. Ugas sa rebound. Nakuha ni Castillo. Pass to Sibug. Castillo, 10 seconds to shoot. Sibug, 5 seconds to shoot. Cortez, no good. The rebound. Napunta kay Cortez. Sibug for 3. Air ball. And Gratosa dribbling the ball. Dison, back to Gratosa. Foul. Foul by jersey number 4, David. Rasa hand off to Gratosa. Set the shoot. Rasa And David gets the ball. David attacks. Foul. David on the line, no good. Second drive para David. Wala na. Wala David ng rebound. David, no good. And here's Gratosa. Nakuha ni Sibug. Nagmamadali. Ilabas kay David. And there's a foul. Foul, just separate Sibug. Penalty. Asa on the free throw line. No good. Rasa again. 1 out of 2. 1 minute and 37 seconds. And Casilla gets the ball. Nabotol kay Casilla. Bola. And the rebound by Gratosa. Arasa. Nagbawa ng bola. Dison takes. Finds. Gabas on the short corner. No good. Casilla. Torres fires. No good. And rebound. Just this on pass break. Gratosa, nice fake. And a block by Castillo. 45 seconds. Torres fakes. Castillo, David. 10 seconds to shoot. Cortez fires a 3. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. Rasa. Foul. Rasa again. Basket. 14 seconds. There's a foul. Foul by Jerseber. Torres on the line.
11 seconds.
11 seconds remaining time para sa ating first quarter. Torres no good. Torres for 3. Torres 3. Score 27.
Okay, second quarter tayo. Diretso yung bakbakan. Battle of the undefeated Santa Monica kontra Kalihan.
Valdovino. Out of bounds. Sana bawa ng bola. Mendoza. Billy Case. 10 seconds to shoot. That'll be on 3. Short. Out of bounds. Here comes Llagas. Pass to Torres. Llagas. Out of bounds. Turnover para Santa Monica. Mendoza to Atienza. Ace, binigay kay Mendoza. The long hoop. Short. Cortez. Binigay kay Torres. Galicio takes a 3 and hits.
Grabe, ang intense.
Atienza. Arraza. Hey, the shoot. Arraza gets the lucky bounce. Llagas. Pass Valdovino. Nawala ang bola. And here comes Mendoza on an easy basket. steal. Mendoza again. Basket. Lagas finds Galicio. Marks another three. Galicio no good. Tapi ka ng bola. Achesa secures the rebound. The fast break. Ace. Smith. Lakit si Mendoza. Lakit si Mendoza. Lakit si Mendoza. What a move para Mr. Mendoza.
Ang salaw.
26-20.
Anong sinanyas nung kakain na?
Lagas finds Galicio. Takes on that. Can't stand to shoot. Can't stand to shoot. Lagas, nice pass. To Pino.
Laban natin talaga, grabe.
Mendoza fakes. Takes on two. Basket. Lagas. Discarte. Ricky Galicio. 10 seconds to shoot. Lagas. Traveling boy. Chelsea again na may tama ng bola. Chelsea di discarte. Kicks it out. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Chelsea attacks. No good. And the rebound para Mendoza. Nice pass, Serbi. From the baseline, no good. Out of bounds.
38-22. 16 man lamang dito ng depensa. San Francisco Kalihan Aces.
And guys, Galicio. Bigay kay Manalo. 10 seconds. Galdudina, nabitawan ng bola. 5 seconds to shoot. No good, Atienza. Tops, nice move. Atienza. Torres. Napunta kay Baldovino. Manalo takes on 3. No good. And a foul. Pushing foul. Chesa pass to Mendoza. Bigay kay Ace. Ace on along to no good. Natabi ka bola. Napunta kay Galicio. Now ni Torres. Face away. No good. Out of bounds. And the chance. Mendoza. Taradang back to Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. And Mendoza no good. Galicio grabs the rebound. And Torres. Nice de Lana. Nice Manalo. Open. Remaining time 4 minutes and 17 seconds.
40-25, 15 pa ang lamang itong itim.
Chesa. Chesa for 3. In and out. Castillo. Nagbaba ng bola. Castillo. Tax. Labas kay Galicio. You're good. Mendoza takes. Airborne. Galicio. Back to Castillo. Castillo pass. One kay Baldovino. No good. Chesa secures the rebound. Pass break. Out of bounds. Mendoza. Traveling violation. Races. Castillo. Pass to Manalo. Dinalagay Castillo ang bola. Castillo over. No good. Galicio. Sim. Atienza. Lays it in basket. Manalo. Now it's Cortez. Cortez gets the basket. Dead ball. Chance again, pass to Mendoza. Really Atienza, pupukol ng tres. Atienza no good. And the foul. Foul by jersey number 12, Riolata. Galicio, back to Atienza. Atienza fakes. Atienza puts the shot, gets the line bounce, 2 points. Sikat, out of bounds, balik sa kalihan ng bola. 14 seconds to shoot para sa Aces. Exactly 2 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Atienza takes and fires, no good. Riba para kay Ace sa ilalim. No good. Tapikan na bola, nakulikaran lang. Foul. Down the line. Basket's good. Gerandang again, 2 for 2. Castillo. Pasang Manalo. Manalo makes move. Iwan kay Delata. Sa ilalim. Reverse is good. By Delata. Dison. Pass to Salcedo. 10 to shoot. Glorioso fires for 3. No good. Out of bounds. And now Monica. And Manalo. Pass to Cortez. Cortez to Manalo. Sika, fires one to corner, no good. Salcedo secures the ball. Atienza, nagbaba ng bola. Takes on to Dison. Nakita si Salcedo. Salcedo fires, no good. 38 seconds. Castillo Sikat. Balik kay Castillo, nakita si Delata. To shoot. Sikat. Naibet. 5 seconds to shoot and steal. By Salcedo. Last 10 seconds. Dison. And handling violation. The steal. Parada. Glorioso. Foul.
1.4 seconds.
Glorioso on the line. Basket. Glorioso again.
Playground halftime break na idolo. Sana nakasubscribe ka na sa ating channel dahil 85% ng nanonood ng mga video natin ay hindi pa nakasubscribe, and then papalo na lang ng ating Facebook page yung UNUS at ating official TikTok and Instagram account na US Playground. Pwede ka rin diyang mag-like, comment and share at mga shoutout para ma-shoutout natin sa susunod nating video. Sino kaya magiging best player ng laro ito? Leave your comment below, idolo. Okay, tuloy na natin to. Okay, Ito na, third quarter na tayo. Ganda na laban.
Atienza, pass to Horn. To Atienza, still. Sibog with the ball. Sibog makes move. Sibog bump. Sibog float by Sibog, but there's a hole. Foul. On Sibog. Okay. Split charity by Mr. Sibog. Atienza, Harvey, dribbling the ball. Atienza, now about bola. Pass to the corner to jersey number 18. Pass to the corner, back to Atienza. 10 seconds on the clock. Atienza, step back, jumper, no good. Ruling on by Castillo. Castillo with the ball. Castillo, tinahandaan ng bola. Pass to the corner. For 3, no good. Ruling on by Klihan. Agora papasahan, pass to the corner to Glorioso fires a 3, no good. Rubay Cortez with the ball, pass now, back to Castillo. Castillo with the ball. Castillo, pass to Sibog. Sibog makes move. Sibog bomb. Sibog floater by Sibog. No good. Atienza, pass to Glorioso. Quick outlet pass to Harvey. Atienza, 2 points by Atienza. His score is 49-13. 19-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. David, pass to Cortez. Cortez made his move. Pass to the corner. To Manalo. Manalo fake. Pass to the corner. To David. David makes his move, but there's a call. Now he's at 14 seconds. To Cortez. Cortez fires. No good. Out of bounds. Seconds adding third quarter. The score is 49-13. 19-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. Atienza with the ball. Atienza pass to the corner. To Glorioso. Back to the corner. Jump shot. No good. We're going to find. We're going to pass. Castillo. Castillo with the ball. Castillo pass to the corner to David. David making his move. David jump shot by David. No good. We're going to find. Glorioso. Pass to Atienza. Atienza. Harvey making his move. Atienza spin, but there's a ball. Basket is good. 2-4-2 by Mr. Atienza. The score is 51-13. 1-1-point lead by Barangay Calihan. Manalo with the ball. Manalo nagpapasahan. Nasa Castillo, nakapit ang bola, pero nakuha ni David. David makes his move. David bump. David up and under. No good. Nakuha pa rin ni David. David follow up. No good. But walang bola. Out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock is... Pass to masyado malakas. Is still by Atienza. Atienza. 2 points by Atienza. To Castillo. Back to jersey number 6. Back to Castillo. Castillo out the pass to David. David. David ang bola. Is still by jersey number 14. Pass to Atienza. Atienza na wala bola. David ang bola. Calihan Aces ball. Shot clock is 22 seconds. Atienza with ball. Atienza pa rin. Atienza. Pass ito. Glorioso. Still by Sibog. Sibog with the ball. Sibog makes move. Sibog bomb. Walang bola. Nakumani. Still by Atienza. Outlet pass to Glorioso. Glorioso makes his move. Glorioso spin. Glorioso floater. Castillo. Castillo with the ball. Castillo makes move. Castillo crossover move by Castillo. Castillo diretso. Castillo layup. No good. Rebound by Torres. Torres nilabas ang bola. Torres. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 16. Manalo fires a 3. 3 points by Manalo. Score po natin is 53-33. 20-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan.
20.
Atienza. Atienza pa rin. Atienza. Napakita. Pass to Glorioso. Glorioso fires a 3. No good. By Cortez. Pass to Castillo. Castillo with the ball. Castillo pa rin. Binababa ang bola. Castillo pass to the corner. Fires a 3. No good. Rebound by Glorioso. Outlet pass to Atienza. Atienza spin. Atienza makes move. Atienza stop. Atienza pa rin. One move by Atienza. Pass to jersey number 18. 2 points by Gran Rosa. 33-22 point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. Jersey number 8, Sibog. Pass to the corner. a three. No good for it. Rebound by Atienza. Atienza with the ball. Remaining time 5 minutes and 20 seconds at the third quarter. Atienza with the ball. Atienza for it. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza makes move. Atienza kick out pass. The corner. Kubo he also fires a three. No good. Rebound by Zero. Outlet pass. To Manalo ball, Manalo, Penaldo by Manalo, what a pass to Castillo, no good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 14, jersey number 14 with the ball. Jersey number 14, hinihingi na yung bola. At the point guard, Atienza with the ball. Atienza pa rin. 10 seconds on the shot clock, Atienza pass to the corner. To Aranza, spin, Aranza. No good. Rebound by Sibog outlet pass to Torres. Layup by Torres. 2 points by Mr. Torres. His score is 55-35. A 20-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. Atienza with the ball. Atienza pa rin. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza makes his move. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza alley pass. Wala bola. Steal by Cortez. Pass to Manalo. Back to Sibog with the ball. Sibog bomb. Sibog floater by Sibog. But there's a goal. Foul. Basket is good by Mr. C. No good, but there's a goal. One more. And back to the ball game. Jersey number 8. Back to the corner. Making through, Aranza, pull up by Aranza, no good. Real high, but there's a goal. Jump ball. And back to the ball game. Liagas with the ball. Liagas pass to Sibog makes move. Kick out pass to Torres. Makes move. Torres put in. Fires a three. No good. Rebound by jersey number 5. 2 points by Baltopino. His score is 55-39, a 16-point lead. Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza pa rin. Pass to Atienza. 14 seconds on the shot clock. To Aranza. Aranza makes move. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Aranza. It is a ball. Pure athletic violation. Substitution. The score for that is 55-39. Remaining time 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Pass to jersey number 17. Jersey number 17. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by. Rebound by jersey number 1 is Atienza. Atienza makes move. Atienza 2 points by Atienza. To jersey number 17. All that pass to jersey number 1. Liagas makes move. Liagas wala bola. Is still by Mendoza. Mendoza makes move. Mendoza pass to the corner. Fires the 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 17. Pass to Liagas. Liagas with the ball. Liagas pa rin. Liagas to the corner. Pass to jersey number 17. Galicio. Pass to Sibog. Sibog makes move. Sibog spin. Sibog fake. Sibog na wala ang bola. Still by jersey number 7. To jersey number 8. Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza pa rin. Mendoza. Pass to jersey number 7. Liagas is still by Sibog. Sibog makes move. Sibog lumipad. Sibog winoged by Sibog. Rebound by jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 8. Mendoza. Pass. Wala pass. Back to the ball. Back to Sibog. Pass to jersey number 17. Pass to Baltopino. Baltopino with the ball. Pass to Liagas. 14 seconds on the shot clock. To the corner. 10 seconds on the shot clock to Liagas. Liagas pass to the corner. Fires. 3 points by Torres. 17-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza spin. Mendoza pass to the corner. To jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, but there's a goal. Foul. Behavior of jersey number 1 ng Barangay Santa Monica. Liagas.
Foul number 1 and warning for unsportsmanlike behavior.
14 seconds on the shot clock to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 pass to 10 seconds on the shot clock to Atienza. Atienza fires a 3. No good. Offensive rebound goes to San Francisco Calihan. Pass to jersey number 19. 10 seconds on the shot clock to jersey number 17. Pass to Mendoza. 5 seconds on the shot clock to Atienza. Atienza. 2 points by Atienza. Leaving time 1 minute seconds at the third quarter. There's a steal, but there's a foul, there's a foul.
Isang minuto sa third quarter.
Ali pass, Gabas with the ball, Rebound by Zibog. Zibog makes move. Zibog pa rin. Zibog open under by Zibog. Layup, no good. Rebound by pero open by Zibog. Zibog power move by Zibog. Zibog foul. Zibog open under, no good. Rebound by just number 10. 42 seconds remaining. Mendoza. Rebound by Thomas. Cortez with the ball. Cortez pa rin. Cortez bounce pass. Is still by Atienza. Atienza with the ball. 28 seconds remaining. Atienza cover pass to Thomas. Rebound by Mendoza, but there's a foul. Foul. 20 seconds remaining on the game clock. Teachers number 10, make his move. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Teachers number 18. Teachers number 18, make his move. Teachers number 18. Good jump shot by teachers number 18. 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Zibog pass. Teachers number 4. David fires a 3. 42.
Okay, ito na yung ating final quarter ng Battle of the Undefeated.
Mendoza with the ball.
Santa Monica versus San Francisco Calihan.
Atienza, jump shot by Atienza. No good. Rebound by Torres. Torres with the ball. Torres pa rin. Torres makes move. Torres. Pass to Castillo. Castillo with the ball. Castillo pa rin. 14 seconds on shot clock. Jump shot by Cortez. No good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Jersey number 19 with the ball. Got him up. Outlet pass. Jersey number 10. What a pass. 2 points by Atienza. Castillo with the ball. Outlet pass to Zibog. Zibog nagmamadali. Zibog pass to David, but there's a goal. Foul. There's a goal. 2-2. Back to the ball game. This is the Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza fires a 3. Rebound by Mendoza. To Castillo. Pass to Cortez to Zibog with the ball. Pass to David. David makes move. David. 2 points by David. Score 6. 23-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. Pinapatay ang bola. Ito ka steal. Pero nakuha ni Mendoza to Atienza. Atienza with the ball. Nagkakapasan. Execution by 8 Mendoza. 14 seconds on the shot clock. To Mendoza with the ball. Mendoza, but there's a goal. By Mendoza, substitution.
Balik sa Atienza. Ito, 3-man ang substitution ng Calihan.
Score 69-45. This is the fourth quarter between Barangay Santa Monica and Barangay San Francisco Calihan. David with the ball. David pa rin. David. Pass to the corner to Cortez. Cortez still. Tripulan. Torres. Up and under by Torres. 2 points by Mr. Torres. Score is 69-47 at 22-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan to Atienza. Instead, Harvey Atienza with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Teachers number 18. Pass it to the goal. Teachers number 5. Fires. No good. Rebound by jersey number 18. Fade away to one by jersey number 18. Castillo with the ball. Castillo pass to David. Pass to Torres. Torres with the ball. Torres makes pass to jersey number 2. Castillo makes move. Castillo, what a pass to Cortez, but there's a goal. Foul. No good. Split charity by Mr. Cortez. The score is 171-48. 23-point lead by Barangay San Francisco Calihan. Atienza with the ball. Atienza pa rin. Atienza with the screen. Atienza jump shot by Atienza. No good. Rebound by Zibog. Zibog with the ball. Zibog makes move. Zibog, tabi ka na bola. Out of bounds. to jersey number 2, Castillo. Castillo, pass to jersey number 16, Manalo, to jersey number 2, Castillo. 10 seconds on the shot clock, tapi ng bola. To Atienza makes move, Atienza bilis, but there's a hole, basket. Wait, that's some of our foul. So good. Nahuli, Sibog with the ball. Sibog bump, but there's a hole, foul. Foul on jersey number 17, wala na bola, turnover. Okay, pass to Atienza. Atienza, pero naman siya, wala bola. To jersey number 17. Pass to jersey number 1. Liagas to the corner, to Manalo, jump shot by Manalo, but there's a hole. Foul. Substitution. The score is 73-49 in favor of San Francisco Lihan, and Atienza with the ball. Atienza 14 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza on the pass to Atienza then. Bola, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Nahuli jersey number 17, Galicio, out there pass. Fires, hindi pala. To Galicio fires a 3, no good. Rebound by Sibog. Pass it order, fires a 3 point by Liagas. The score for natin is 73-52. Remaining time 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Ating fourth and final quarter. Atienza with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza nagkanapapasahan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza, but there's a wall. Technical foul on jersey number 15 on Barangay. Second personal foul on Atienza. Oh, good.
Shot clock, 6 seconds.
6 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza inbounding the ball. Atienza through Aranza. But there's a hole. Double foul. Foul on jersey number 1, Atienza. Atienza inbounding the ball. Pass to the corner. Glorioso, by Glorioso. Back to Sibog. Outlet pass, jersey number 17. Pass to the corner. Fires, Liagas. No good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Outlet pass to Castillo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Baldovino. Pass to Liagas. Fires. No good. Out of bounds. To jersey number 14, Aranza with the ball. To Atienza with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza makes his move. Atienza up and under, no good. Rebound by Liagas. Liagas pa rin. Out the pass to the corner. Fires a 3. Manalo. 2 points by Manalo. The score is 75-55. 21 lead by Kalihan. Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds. To Atienza. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by Sibog with wall. Sibog pass to the bid makes move. The big one pass. 2 points by Baldovino. The score is 75-57. 18-point lead by Barangay Kalihan. To jersey number 14, Aranza with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Aranza makes his move. Aranza diretso, but there's a foul. Split charity by Mr. Aranza. The score is 76-57. Remaining time 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Starting fourth and final quarter. Outlet pass to Cortez. 2 points by Cortez. to jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, back to jersey number 17, Glorioso. Glorioso with the ball. Glorioso with the flat. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Glorioso, near the screen. Glorioso fires. No good. Rebound by Aranza. Aranza with the ball. 5 seconds on the shot clock. To Glorioso. Glorioso fires. No good. Rebound by the net. Coming up bola. Nakuha ni Glorioso. Glorioso makes move. Glorioso. Pick up pass. Steal. To Liagas. Back to jersey number 16. Manalo. Natabig ang bola. Pero nakuha pa rin Manalo. Manalo. Fade away. 2 points by Manalo. The score is 76-61. Remaining time exactly 3 minutes. Starting for the final quarter. To Aranza. Aranza makes his move. Aranza bomb. Pass to Atienza. Atienza Harvey makes move. Atienza. But there's a foul. Offensive foul.
Time out.
Offensive foul on jersey number 15 po ang Barangay Santa Monia. David inbounding the ball. Pass to the corner. Back to David. David. Not with the ball up, but there's a goal. Foul. Foul. Basket is good. 2-4-2 when we start the bid. The score for natin is 76-63. Remaining time 2 minutes and 42 seconds to Ace Atienza. Pass to the corner. Back to Aranza. Aranza with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Foul. Foul on jersey number 16. Manalo. Manalo, second personal foul.
May dugo yata siya doon. Humingi ng challenge tong Santa Monica. Sa challenge lang yung huling play.
Shoutout nga pala.
Kakagulo yung crowd natin.
Sa pagtangkili po sa under 21 Barangay. The challenge was successful. So no foul on jersey number 16 Manalo. Pero same ball possession po tayo ng Kalian Aces. Salamat po.
Okay, challenge successful. 9 seconds sa shot clock natin. Diretso yung bakbakan. Inayos lang, inayos.
63. Favor of Santos is going on. 9 seconds on the shot clock to Atienza. Atienza, pass to Harvey. Harvey, 2 points. Back to the ball game. Oh, 2 points. To Manalo. Manalo fires. No good. Rebound Aranza. Pass to jersey number 19. Pass to Harvey. Atienza. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza, kick out pass to the corner. Fires. No good. But there's a ball.
Okay lang daw.
Technical foul on jersey number 1, Ace Atienza for faking a foul. Third.
Kontrolado naman sila ni Coach Jerome. Ito naman kaklamo.
Basket is good.
May tawag na.
The score for any time, 2 minutes and 1.
78-64. 14.
1 second.
Ito, kaya pa to.
Yes, 2 minutes on the important final quarter. Jersey number 3, Cortez, pass to the corner. To jersey number 16, Manalo fire. To jersey number 1, back to Manalo fire sa 3. No good, but rebound by Sibog. Bata pass, 2 points. The score is 78-66. Lalapit dalawa po ang labang. To Atienza. Atienza behind the back play. Atienza pa rin. Pinawit ang bola. Mr. Harvey Atienza. 14 seconds on the shot clock. To Atienza. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza pass to Aranza. Aranza fires. No good. Pero rebound din yung Atienza. Pass to the corner. To Glorioso. Glorioso. No good. Rebound by the 19. Wala bola out of bounds. Same ball. Shot clock is substitution. jersey number 10, Ian Glorioso. His score is 76-6. Shot clock is 13 seconds. 13 seconds on the shot clock. To Atienza. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza makes move. Atienza ball. Atienza spin. Atienza on the pass. It's still by Sibu. Sibu with the ball. Sibu Pereira over there. Sibu makes move. Sibu. Up and under. Vanessa ball back. Out of bounds. Same ball. Remaining time, exactly 1 minute 15 seconds. Cebu inbounding the ball. Cebu pass to Manalo. Manalo with the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Manalo pa rin. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Manalo in the screen. Pass to the corner. 5 seconds on the shot clock. To Liagas. Pass to David. What a pass! Basket is good. Remaining time, 41 seconds. 40 seconds remaining. To Atienza with the ball. Atienza pa rin. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Atienza. Foul on jersey number 1. Liagas, second personal foul. Penalty. San Francisco Calihán Aces. Remaining time 27.3 seconds by Barangay San Francisco. Good.
Alam mo sa palagay ko kaya intense itong mga nasa labas. Yung pusta na may plus 10. Sasampu kasi yung lamang. With 27 seconds.
No good pa rin. Iwa by Cortez. 23 seconds remaining. But there's a goal. Foul on jersey number 15, Harvey Atienza. Warning for graduate na po si Mr. Harvey Atienza. Ano ba?
Okay, 20 seconds. Sampuan lamang Pipitro si Cebu. Kaya ganyan yung mga yan. Utob ko yun na ngayon, yung plus 10. Wawalo lamang.
20 seconds remaining. Atienza with the ball. 15 seconds remaining. Starting for the final quarter. Score 78-70. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining. Atienza spin. Atienza makes move. Atienza. 2 points by Atienza.